Hello. Okay, I'm not going to come up with some classic opening line because if it's really good, you're going to be like, oh, you remember that cute guy who was like, came up with a good opening line. Okay, that'll be my Facebook status today. But if I come up with a bad opening line, you'll be like, who's that, that ugly guy with man boobs, with that dirty blood patch on his pants, who can't afford clothes, and that big lump in his pocket. Wink, wink, ladies. Well, this big lump is nothing more than my friend Babua. Well, Babua is here to accompany with the laughter. Thank you. Every single time I attempt some sad little joke, I expect you all to give a little donation to Babua. I've already filled him up with a little sound, so I'll jingle it along. If you all like it, then please contribute. I'm a destitute child. I have fun. It's a sad story. And plus I came here only because it's free and I couldn't afford it. So, thank you. So let's start off with some random thoughts of mine. I just sit and I think about rubbish. I actually just sit in the toilet because that's the, Shauchalaya. And I sat there and I got a mad thought. I mean, Michael Jackson. God rest his soul. I mean, how many people follow Michael Jackson? I'm sure they must be like, yeah, that's nice. And how many people follow Shahid Kapoor? Very good. Shahid Kapoor sucks balls. Now, about Michael Jackson. One thing that I notice about him is that most of his songs are related to a penis. Yes, that's because I decided to name my penis Smooth Criminal. I know a friend who's called his penis Phantom and the Iranian Devil and all, but I decided to call mine Smooth Criminal. And upon thinking, I realized, yes, it's true. It's either related to sex or masturbation. It's just beat it. Blood on the dance floor in the case of castration. A thing that we can all relate to, it don't matter if you're black or white. Another part of me, it just goes on and on and on. And then I was thinking about Just Dial. Just Dial services. How many people love Just Dial services? It helps you for anything. Exactly. So, if you all don't know, there's this little secret part of Just Dial, okay, which is the gangster version. If you wait for about half an hour on the Just Dial tone while the lady just goes on talking, you have called Just Dial. You have called Just Dial. There'll be a secret little whisper saying, Just Dial, gangster version, click 9. You click 9 and you reach the Just Dial gangster version, which goes as such. Hello sir, I'm Preeti. How can I help you? Yeah, I'd like the phone number of Dawood Ibrahim, please. Yes sir, which area do you want him? I think he's in Pakistan, Karachi, India. I have no idea. Dubai maybe, but we can help you out. Sir, can you give me a spelling please? Yeah, well I'll just attribute qualities to the letters that spell out his name. D for dangerous, A for awful, W for womanizer, O and O for oi oi, and D for Dal Dokli. Yes sir. D for Dal Dokli. Yes sir, we found out. Sir, would you be interested in 4 more rapists in your area? No. No, that's all, thank you. Yes sir, we sent the message by another killer who shall be waiting outside your door with a supari in his hand. After giving it to you and raping your wife and cutting your children into pieces, you will be able to successfully contact Dawood. Thank you for calling Just Dial. This Just Dial chick, when she gets angry, she kind of tends to insult people, but this form of insult is something different. Now, have you ever thought that the places in Bombay can be awesome for insults? Like Bhandup. It sounds so sinister. Like, hey man, what the hell are you laughing at, Sale Mother Bhandup? Okay, I'll take your Bombay Central and put a poster on it. You don't? Come on, I'll take your Chinchpokli and drag them to the Ketra Adiza. You just be quiet. Bhandup. It's just so sinister. I'm telling you, it just removes all the fun of abusing. You can and you can associate any family member. You can fucking even associate your maid with it. Like Sale, teri maushi Bhandup. Shut the fuck up. And it's brilliant. It's brilliant. Soon, I'm telling you, it's a revolution. Soon places in Delhi, Gurgaon will become abused. I don't know, anything will become abused. Now, going on to the next topic, which is Twitter. Well, I'm sure, how many people tweet? Yeah. So I came up with this really bad concept. I was telling this to my friends and they all told me, please don't talk about it, don't talk about it. But I thought it would be pretty interesting just to share it with you all. Well, my idea is something called spitter. Okay, especially for the Indian men. You just think of a thought and you chew your tambaku and you just spit it in any corner.